Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe me, and if you are watching from the Facebook, please follow my page. Today I am making a video for the people who likes hiking. I am also one of them. Whenever I get free time, I just go to the countryside of the country, as I living in the Alps area, and Immenstadt is a small city beside the Alps. As I living in Kempten, it takes 30 minutes from Kempten to Immenstadt, so I went there by bus. If you want, you can by train also, doesn't matter, whatever you want. So the Immenstadt is very beautiful city with mountains. So keep watching until end of the video and see what we are just going to do today. This is the road between Kempten and Immenstadt. The roads are so beautiful and the sightseeing also unbelievable, actually undescribable. If you are not where there, then you just cannot believe.
Very deep, very deep, very deep jungle. There is a waterfall behind us, and we are just going top of the hill. We asked some of the passengers also. They just told us we need minimum 4 hours to go to the top of the hill. So let's see how much can we walk. Are you tired? Yes. Okay, let's see. There are also 2 people. We can ask them also how long they are just going. Oh, there are also people. They are just going up. Can you see? There are 2 people just going up in front of us. Wow, where are we right now? So big trees. So calm inside. What is that? You can do meditation here without disturbance. Nobody will disturb you, and you concentrate yourself. What are you just picking up? Blueberries.
Blueberries. Look at the red, not blue.
So yeah, red one. But see, the full, the full tree is just full of the blueberry. Guys, I can't believe it.
What do you say?
They're cutting the grasses. Why are they cutting the grasses? Do you know the reason? For the cows? I can hear the sound of the cows. I think the cows are in this way. In this side, they're just staying. The another one, this is just collecting the grasses. Are you going in this? I think we have to follow this way, the road. There is a road in this way. Yes, but directly I think there is a fence. Can we just fence? Do you see any fence? I think this is a private place. That's why. What do you think? We can go down in this way.
I'm afraid if we go, if we take this route,
Hmm.
then we will not end up in another mountain. Because this is slow.
Do you want to scroll down? Then let's go scroll down.
Roll down.
Like pehla nasha. Be careful. Suraj, we are just crossing the road. Shortcut. We are taking the shortcut away.